To make an individual hot malted fudge pudding cake, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius and scale your ingredients into 3 small mason jars. In the first jar, scale 15 grams brown sugar, 10 grams malt powder, and 2 grams cocoa powder. In the second jar, scale 10 grams melted butter and 5 grams of vanilla extract. And in the third jar, scale 10 grams whole wheat cake flour, 10 grams brown sugar, an eighth of a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Then mix the third jar into the second jar to create a loose batter and spread an even layer on the bottom of a 4-ounce ramekin. Next, mix and sprinkle the sugar mixture in the first jar over top of the batter and pour 30 grams of boiling hot water over top. Then bake the pudding cake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the top looks like a decadent brownie floating on molten fudge sauce. Serve warm with a dollop of vanilla chantilly cream and a dusting of cocoa sugar.